I'll be walking you through a meniscus root repair surgery. A meniscus root tear is significant because it essentially defunctions the meniscus. Here, we are preparing the insertion of the meniscus root using a shaver and a curette. We then pass sutures with specialized equipment through the meniscus root. Next, we use specialized jigs to drill channels and tunnels through the shin bone. We pass sutures out of the tunnel in order to bring the meniscus root repair sutures into the tunnel. Here it is repaired down, and we further reinforce the repair with a all-inside device. Here is picture showing before and after the surgery. The meniscus root is repaired down to the tibia. If you have any questions before the surgery, feel free to ask me.